You guys are a bunch of goofballs.
What?
Hey guys, so today we have some smoke bombs here. These are a little bit different than your regular smoke bomb. Now these are called Galaxy Bombs by Hot Fireworks. This is a brand new brand for me. Says Hot Brand Fireworks Complex. I'm just gonna call that Hot Fireworks. There is a QR code right there. But yeah, these are pretty decently sized smoke bombs. But it says right here, emits flashes of light. So I'm assuming that these are strobes as well. So this will be pretty interesting. So you get white strobe, red smoke, white strobe and yellow smoke, white strobe and orange smoke, blue and green. They all have white strobe. And I do have the nieces with me today, so yeah. We'll go ahead and open these up and see what they look like.
You have us every day.
What?
You have us every day.
In every
Pretty much.
video.
Not every day, but
single
Not
video.
every video, but every day.
Like mostly every video.
so here's the red one. I wonder if these actually have different product numbers on them too. This one says A. So you're doing,
I'm doing green and the yellow one.
I thought you wanted red.
Oh.
Okay, well I guess I'll do red and then you're gonna do blue and orange.
Yep.
Let's see here. Yeah, these do have different product numbers for each one. There's C and E for those two. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and see what they do. All right, here goes the yellow one. If it won't stay up, just lay it on the side. Should be fine. Well, that didn't strobe very long. Yeah, that didn't last very long for the strobe part. Hey, don't get too close to it. It's actually not a bad yellow. It's lasting quite a while. There we go. All right, now we got the orange one. See if the strobe works better on this one.
That's better.
Doesn't look like the strobe's working too well on these, but they're pretty cool either way.
I like the orange.
Hey, what are you doing?
Working on my breath holding skills.
Don't do that.
Tay!
You guys are a bunch of goofballs.
What?
I said you guys are a bunch of goofballs.
No. Hard, like, following.
Leave it alone. It's probably still hot.
It is.
Hey, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Don't put the smoke in your face.
What?
Because smoke is actually, it's particles. You can get that all over your face. And it's spitting too. I seen it earlier. Is this one lasting longer? I feel like it is.
We'll see on the
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put a thing on this bottom. Yeah.
Stop
There it goes. Alright, now the red one.
This is the red one. And this is the filmer of the video, which is Julian.
Ooh, I like
That's a pretty
It's
red.
like an orange at the bottom.
It's like a rose red.
The white on my shirt's gonna be brown.
You know, the red actually matches with your shirt. It's like the exact same color.
Oh yeah, it is.
Hey, I can't see it. No, don't do that.
I like when the smoke.
Somebody else is doing fireworks.
How convenient is that? This one's lasting a pretty long time too.
Huh?
This one's lasting a pretty long time too.
Yeah, they all last pretty long. They're big smoke bombs. Hey, I need those.
Why?
Because I'm gonna do a review video after this. There goes the red one.
And
Looks like
this
liquid in there.
is my sister Taylor doing.
All right, here's the green
color
one.
Green.
Wonder what kind of green this is gonna come up with.
Ooh, it's like a dark.
That's a pretty dark green, yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that one's spitting a lot more.
Ooh, that one's spinning a lot. I should just put my.
Yeah, I've noticed some of the darker colors like green and blue, they tend to spit a lot more. It's probably whatever kind of chemicals they're putting in it. It burns a lot more.
Stop kicking them.
Lana, that's enough. I don't want you to burn yourself.
I will. I do it with my.
Those things stay hot for quite a while. That one didn't last very long, it seems like. All right, here goes the blue one.
This is blue, and Tyler is doing it.
Don't hold it while you're lighting it. There you go. That's good. This one should be pretty good.
Light blue, dark blue. Ooh, it's a light. Yeah.
Yeah, that one spit a lot. It's always the blue that spits a lot. I don't know why.
I'm gonna light the smoke, guys.
And I'm gonna go in this smoke, guys.
You know what they should do? Make a smoke bomb that actually is holdable, like they have some kind of insulation on the outside and you can write with it. I haven't seen anything like that yet.
That would be cool.
Like it's like one of those,
But it has like.
but it's got some kind of insulation so you can hold it without burning your hand.
Ready?
So you can write with it.
Guys, you ready? I'm gonna
I
run
just get the
into
really
smoke.
big ones
3,
that are really thick,
2,
Yeah.
and then I write with it.
You're crazy.
Hey,
He's not wrong.
you're crazy, Taylor.
Looks like that's it for that one.
That'll be a lot.
Nice. Yeah, so these were pretty nice. The strobe part didn't really work out too well for these. They just you know, flashed a little bit and they didn't last very long. Most of it was just kind of a continuous flame that lasted like a second or so. But the colors are actually really nice. The only color that wasn't really the best was the blue. It was kind of a thin color compared to the rest of them. The green was really dark, and The red and orange and yellow were actually probably one of the best ones, I think. I really like the red. It was more of a rose red. It was pretty, so. But yeah, these are really nice smoke bombs. Definitely recommend these, but they do need a little bit of work on the strobe part because they didn't really work very well. But yeah, and the kids like them too, so. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.